Took the hopper. There you go, lift up the rod a little bit. There you go, set it. Oh, you had him. It's in that channel because it's tight. Now drop that right on the seam and then lift up a little bit. And 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Right on the money, dude.
Do it again.
Fucking awesome.
Yeah. We'll see if he comes up this time. That would have been so cool if you would have caught him.
I see him.
Do ya? Good. Now lift up. Natural presentation. 3, 2, 1. No. Yeah, you got it. Awesome. Right. There you go. See that drift? That's money, dude. There it is. There it is. Here, let's get him to the net. The big boy. Yeah. Nice. All right, that's the biggest fish of the day. Yeah. That's awesome, man.
Great.
Let's grab a picture real quick.
Give him the hail.
Right. See, Trey? Ah! Bring it over here, bud. Let it line out and tip him to me. Get to the hot line. All good? All right, I'll let it go. Get him back home. Rainbow came and hit right there at the tail end of that. There you go. There he is. Haha, pick him up. I told you, bud. Knuckled. All right. Good job. Three, 2, 1. There we go. Did you see that? 3, 2. He took the hopper. I don't know why it is, man. Every time I catch a fish on a hopper, I hear Arnold Schwarzenegger. Get to the hopper. All right. Like that, see? Oh. Where that stick is, but don't hit the stick. There you go. There you go. That's a big fish. Good catch, dude.